These 4x6-inch speakers deliver impressive audio clarity thanks to their two-way coaxial design, which effectively separates high and low frequencies. With a continuous power handling of 40 watts and the ability to manage peaks up to 120 watts, these speakers are a significant upgrade over factory-installed units. The durable polypropylene woofer cone, paired with a resilient rubber surround, ensures consistent and distortion-free bass response even during demanding passages. High frequencies are rendered with exceptional smoothness and detail by the edge-driven soft dome tweeters, avoiding the harshness often found in lesser designs. A high sensitivity rating of 91 decibels means these speakers efficiently convert power into sound, making them an excellent match for both factory and aftermarket stereos. Their standard 4x6-inch size and a shallow mounting depth of less than 2 inches allow for a straightforward installation in a wide variety of vehicles.